You're gonna love the 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Follow your heart's desire in this sleek, bold Corsair. Wrap yourself in the luxury of its premium interior, feel the security of its driver assist safety tech, and enjoy the capability and convenience of this can-do SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. Relax and enjoy the journey like never before when you're at the wheel of this remarkable Corsair. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.